Welcome back to FitLife Secret. I'm so pumped to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any of our fitness secrets. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to gain weight and build muscle fast the right way. We're talking about packing on serious muscle mass, not just adding pounds of fluff. So if you're ready to transform your physique, fuel your workouts, and finally see the gains you've been working towards, then stick around because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's get started. Alright, FitLife family, calories are king for gaining weight and building muscle. Think of calories like fuel for your car. Without enough fuel, your car is not moving. Same for your body. Eat more than you burn to see progress. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that fuel muscle growth. Clean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. These foods help build muscle and recover. Aim for a calorie surplus of 250 to 500 calories per day. This fuels growth without excess fat. Remember, we're after lean gains, not just bulking up. Use calorie tracking apps to get started. Track your intake honestly and adjust as needed. Tracking calories is a game changer for gains. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Now that we're clear on calories, let's move on to protein. Now let's talk protein. Protein is the building block of muscle, the foundation upon which those gains are built. If you're serious about gaining muscle, you've got to make protein a priority. Think of protein like the bricks you use to build a house. The more bricks you have, the bigger and stronger you can build that house, right? It's the same with your muscles. Protein provides the amino acids your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after those intense workouts. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's doable. And don't worry, I'm not saying you need to live off protein shakes, although they can be a convenient option. There are tons of delicious and healthy protein sources out there. Great sources include chicken, turkey, lean beef, eggs, and even plant-based options like lentils, quinoa, and tofu. Variety is key here, so mix it up and find what you enjoy eating. Be sure to spread your protein intake throughout the day. That means including it in every meal to keep your muscles constantly fed and ready to grow. Don't make the mistake of skimping on protein earlier in the day and then trying to cram it all in at dinner. Remember, consistent protein intake is key for maximizing muscle protein synthesis and fueling those gains. So, make every meal count. Alright, FitLife fam, let's talk about something many people try to avoid when bulking up: fat. Now, before you skip ahead, I'm not talking about the greasy, processed kind of fat. I'm talking about healthy fats, the good stuff that actually supports muscle growth and overall health. Don't shy away from fats, healthy fats that is. Things like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish are packed with calories and essential nutrients that support muscle recovery, hormone production, and overall well-being. Including these in your diet will ensure you're not just gaining weight, but you're doing it in a healthy way. Remember, we're aiming for sustainable gains here, not just a quick fix. Think of healthy fats like the lubrication for your muscles and joints. They help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for recovery after those tough workouts. Plus, they help your body absorb and utilize those muscle-building nutrients you're consuming. So, how much fat should you be eating? A good rule of thumb is to aim for around 0.8 to 1 gram of fat per kilogram of body weight. And again, focus on those healthy, unsaturated fats I mentioned earlier. Incorporate them into your meals and snacks throughout the day. Add some avocado to your salads, drizzle olive oil on your veggies, or snack on a handful of nuts. Remember, healthy fats are your friends when it comes to gaining weight and building muscle the right way. Chapter 4, Carbs Fuel Your Workouts, Power Your Gains. Now let's talk about another essential macronutrient for muscle growth: carbs. I know there's a lot of hype around low-carb diets, but when it comes to building muscle, carbs are your best friend. They're the primary source of energy for your body, especially during those intense workouts. When it comes to building muscle, carbs are your energy source. Don't cut them out, embrace them. Carbs provide the fuel your muscles need to lift heavy, push harder, and recover faster. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, and sweet potatoes are all excellent carb choices. These complex carbs provide sustained energy release, keeping you fueled throughout the day and during your workouts. Aim to have carbs around your workout times to give you that extra boost of energy for your lifts. Having a good amount of carbs before your workout will give you the energy you need to push through those last few reps. And consuming carbs after your workout helps replenish your glycogen stores, which are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Now, the amount of carbs you need will vary depending on your individual needs and activity level, but a good starting point is to aim for around 4 to 7 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight. Remember, carbs aren't the enemy, they're your ally in the quest for muscle growth. Chapter 5. Progressive Overload. Challenge your muscles, spark growth. Okay, FitLife fam, we've covered the nutrition side. Now let's talk about the workout side. Because you can't build muscle without putting in the work in the gym. To gain muscle fast, you need to train with progressive overload. What does that mean? It means you need to consistently challenge your muscles by gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets in your workouts. This forces your muscles to adapt and grow. Think of it like this. If you lift the same weight for the same number of reps every single workout, your body adapts to that level of stress. It has no reason to grow bigger or stronger, but when you gradually increase the demands you place on your muscles, you create a stimulus for growth. Now, progressive overload doesn't mean you should go from lifting 5 pounds to 50 pounds overnight. It's about making small, incremental increases over time. Start with a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. As you get stronger, add more weight, do more reps, or decrease your rest periods. The key is to constantly push your limits, but in a safe and controlled way. Remember, progressive overload is the key to unlocking your muscle-building potential. Now, let's talk about exercise selection. When it comes to building muscle fast, not all exercises are created equal. Don't waste time on isolation exercises like bicep curls at the start. Instead, focus on compound exercises. Compound exercises are your secret weapon for building muscle mass. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at once and help you build overall muscle mass much faster. Some of my favorite compound exercises include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. These exercises engage large muscle groups, leading to greater muscle protein synthesis and overall muscle growth. Incorporating these compound movements into your workout routine will allow you to lift heavier weights, stimulate more muscle fibers, and see faster results. Plus, compound exercises mimic real-life movements, improving your functional strength and making you better at everyday activities. So, ditch the isolation exercises for now and prioritize compound movements. Alright, FitLife fam, let's talk about something crucial for muscle growth that often gets overlooked. Sleep. Muscles grow when you're resting, not when you're working out. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. It's when your body goes into repair mode, rebuilding those muscle fibers you broke down during your workout. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. That's when your body does all the magic, repairing and building muscle tissue. So make sure you're getting that beauty sleep. During sleep, your body releases growth hormones, which are essential for muscle protein synthesis and repair. It also regulates hormone levels, reduces inflammation, and improves cognitive function, all of which are crucial for optimal muscle growth and recovery. Skimping on sleep is like sabotaging your gains. It can lead to decreased muscle growth, increased risk of injury, reduced performance, and even fat gain. So prioritize sleep, like you prioritize your workouts and nutrition. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Establish a regular sleep schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Remember, sleep is when your body recovers, rebuilds, and grows stronger. So, make sure you're getting enough of it. Lastly, FitLife fam, one of the most important things to remember is consistency. Gaining weight and building muscle takes time. It won't happen overnight. You're not going to see results after one workout or 1 week of eating right. It's a journey that requires dedication, discipline, and a whole lot of patience. Stick to your diet, stick to your workouts, and most importantly, be patient with the process. The results will come, I promise you. There will be days when you don't feel like working out or eating clean, but that's when your commitment to the process matters most. Push through those tough days, stay consistent with your habits, and trust that the results will follow. Remember, building a great physique is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes over time and staying committed to the journey. So, stay patient, stay consistent, and never give up on your goals. Alright, FitLife family, those are my 8 proven tips to gain weight and build muscle fast. Now, it's your turn. What's been your biggest challenge when it comes to gaining muscle? Drop a comment below, and let's chat about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to FitLife Secret for more awesome fitness tips every week. And remember, stay consistent, stay patient, and keep building those muscles. See you in the next one.